Howdy dandy, I'm Andy.
And I'm Jacob.
Welcome back to MavTV.
We're back for a new year, new groups, new ideas, and new news.
There's also new rules now.
No, there aren't. They're the same rules as always. It did something.
Well, you know what? You know that, and I know that, but everyone could use a reread of those rules.
Well, luckily we have Grant to make a fun video about them, so. Do you think this is appropriate?
I think as long as you wear pants and everything under it, it will be, but we're still doing the newscast, buddy.
You're right. Yeah, you know how last year we didn't have much time to eat?
Yeah, isn't it weird that we have 25 minutes to eat lunch? Like, we need more time.
I meant for breakfast.
Yep, and can't you get breakfast in between periods now? That's arguably a shorter amount of time to eat.
Let me enjoy my food in the time I have.
What food do you like to eat during that time?
Pop-Tart.
Howdy Dandy, I'm Andy.
I'm Evan.
Hi, I'm Lindy.
Hi, I'm Elena Fox.
Hello, my name's Adriana.
Hello, my name is Hadley.
I'm Knox. I'm Donovan.
Hi, I'm Mr. McKee. Today I'm going to be tasting some Pop-Tarts.
And I'm Mrs. K, and I'm also going to be eating Pop-Tarts.
I'm feeling the texture.
I don't think that's going to help.
It tastes like bad cereal.
Like strawberries. I don't like fruity Pop-Tarts.
It's been like probably 5 years since I've had a Pop-Tart, so.
Like, just like animal cracker a little bit. Like marshmallows. I don't know.
Marshmallows good.
I think if I had to give an educated guess here, this is Hot Fudge Sundae.
Strawberry frosted.
It's not strawberry.
Strawberry shortcake or something.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I don't want to have it anymore. I don't like that reaction.
According to Jacob, this is the best Pop-Tart flavor you can find, so we'll see about that.
I don't know why I'm sniffing it first.
I'm out of that. It's kind of small chocolate though.
Is that coffee? Why is it thick?
Yours is thick?
Well, it's like, it has a different texture than the other one. I failed you, Canada. Sorry.
Yes,
It's
what,
bright yellow.
That, Oh.
Bubblegum?
Expired banana.
Inspired banana. Is that what it is? I'm gonna go with that.
It's like maple syrup pancake or something like that.
Okay, you actually got it. It's maple syrup.
Goodness gracious.
This looks nothing like maple syrup. What? Is this like the blue,
It tastes like raspberries.
yeah, like raspberry, Jolly Rancher. What?
It's some sort of fruity something.
It's like a razzleberry. That's my guess.
I'm not eating this one. I think it's cherry.
Mm. See, wow, but this has sprinkles. Wildberry doesn't.
That's a good use of your hand.
Yeah. Gotta use all your senses.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to it.
What is this? This smells, oh, this is, I love this flavor actually. I just don't know what it's called.
I don't taste anything.
It's raspberry.
Yeah.
You guys both got it too.
Yeah, no, he thinks it's raspberry.
You guys have to hit it on the nose. That's exactly, it's raspberry flavored.
Let's go.
It's raspberry.
I knew it. I was like, oh, I loved these when I was a child.
That maple syrup one was so gross if you didn't know what it was.
It's not that bad, and you need to, how I say, expand your palate.
Ha! You lost.
What did I lose?
You blinked first.
I'm not gonna get into that anyway. You're way too competitive, but that's besides the point.
But McCutcheon is winners, and I'm not great at sports.
Aren't you
So.
on the bowling team that went to set a competition?
Yeah, but I'm not good at bowling.
Hey, I'm Javen Dick.
I'm Daisy Wilson.
Spin the ball.
Definitely
I don't know, what is bowling? It's just lame, but like cool.
balls. That's it, just balls. Okay.
Oh, well in October, we do call-outs at the bowling alley. Or they're usually on announcements too.
Have fun and practice whenever you can.
My dad. Why does it have to bounce?
My mom convinced me after 2 months of pressuring. Uh, 4 years.
I have been bowling like since I was 5 or 6 years old.
It shows.
Just go for the head pin.
You hit the head pin and the pin right to the side, right in the middle of the head.
My highest score is 210.
All but the head pin. Good job.
299, 1 pin away from a 300. I hope I actually get it this time.
Hope to see you in bowling next year.
See, Daisy and sometimes Javen are so much better than I am.
Don't underestimate my boy, Javen here, right? He's made it through 2 sets of individual bowling. Is not going to semi-state.
Yes, but unlike him, the girls' team left their mark on the Crawfordsville Bowling Alley.
I don't know what that means, so on to announcements. Tonight from 4 to 6, there will be an open house at the GLCA.
Tomorrow, all freshmen need to turn in their class registration forms, and after school, the academic Super Bowl team will have a call-out. I heard that this year's theme is Canada, our neighbor to the north.
That's nice. On Friday, the sophomores need to turn in their class registration, and on Saturday, the speech team will have an all-day competition.
I believe that's all the announcements for this week. So let's make this semester the greatest one yet. And go Mavs!